Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through the simple steps on how to enable Vibrate notifications for camera and microphone use on Chrome. If you've ever wanted that extra alert to know when your camera or microphone is being accessed, this quick guide will show you exactly how to set it up. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and head into your main settings app. This is where you can control everything about how your apps behave, including notifications. Once you're inside settings, scroll down and look for the section called Apps. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, from your list of installed apps, scroll until you see Chrome. Select it to open up Chrome's specific settings. This is where you'll have access to all the options related to how Chrome interacts with your device. Inside the Chrome settings page, tap on Notifications. This will open up a full list of different notification types that Chrome can send you. To make changes more precise, tap on Notification Categories. This lets you dig deeper into the specific things Chrome might notify you about. Now, you're going to want to find the category labeled Camera and Microphone Use. This is the one that controls alerts when your camera or microphone is in use. Tap on it, and you'll see a series of options for customizing how those notifications appear. From here, look for the setting that allows you to toggle on Vibrate. Simply switch it to the on position, and you're done. From now on, whenever Chrome accesses your camera or microphone, your phone will give you a small vibration alert along with the notification. This is a great way to stay more aware and in control, especially when it comes to your privacy. Enabling this feature ensures that you're instantly notified in a subtle but noticeable way whenever your device's camera or microphone is being used through Chrome. And that's it! Just a few quick taps in your settings, and you've added an extra layer of awareness to your phone. If you found this walkthrough helpful, make sure to give it a try and see how it works for you.